This 2016 Ford Transit cargo van is brought to you by Motors Trust. Visit Motors Trust online at www.motorstrust.com to see more pictures of this vehicle or call us at 305-603-8867 today to schedule your test drive. To see all of our inventory, www.motorstrust.com. All of our vehicles are clean titles. Financing is available for everyone. If you have bad credit, we can help. We have over 200 cars, trucks, cargo vans, SUVs available for you to choose. The store is located on NW 27th Ave. All prices are cash only. Prices financing may change price depending on customer credit. Come to CIT. Easy finance available. Free, 90 days car warranty. Instant credit approval. Vehicles go through safety and quality inspections. Free Carfax available. No hassle equal no pressure. Establish or re-establish your credit. Your past will not haunt you here. We accept pay stubs, SSI, disability, unemployment, bank statements, award letters, job letters and more. Bad credit, no credit.